So, I just finished teaching Japanese for the week, so here's a crash course in what we went over. This week we talked about the particle o, which is used to mark the direct object in a Japanese sentence. What is a direct object? Well, it's the thing that is verbed, like what is affected by the verb. So, in a sentence like, Watashi wa pizza o tabemasu, or I eat pizza, what is being eaten? The pizza, right? The verb eating affects the pizza, so pizza is the direct object. We have to be careful though, because some sentences have no direct object. I eat, as in it's just something I do, that has no direct object. Likewise, I go to the library has no direct object. What is goed? Going doesn't affect the library. The act of going actually stops before the library, so there's no direct object. Nothing gets goed. And similar, like I eat tomorrow. You don't eat tomorrow, right? Tomorrow is not eaten, so there is no direct object. But when there is a direct object, in Japanese, you mark it with o. Now, Japanese is a subject-object-verb structure, so the object comes before the verb. Watashi wa pizza o tabemasu. I, pizza, direct object marker, eat. Importantly though, Japanese also has flexible order. So I eat pizza and pizza eats me in English are different sentences, right? You flip things around, you get a different order. Pizza o watashi wa tabemasu is the same thing. It's just I eat pizza. Because o is telling us that pizza, no matter where it is in the sentence, is the direct object, and wa, from watashi wa, is the topic. So that's what's going to be doing the verb in this context. Now, it's rare to put the direct object in front of the topic. Most of the time, the topic is in the front, but it does happen. It has kind of an emphasis feel. Like someone's like, hey, you don't eat pizza, or you eat chicken, you eat chicken, you eat chicken. You're like, no. Pizza is what I eat. Pizza o watashi wa tabemasu. That works just fine. Again, the literal meaning is the same, but there are contextual emphasis-based differences. So don't do it just for no reason whatsoever, but it is something that happens. I see it. It always surprises me a little bit, but it is out there. And then finally, you do have to remember, though, that with some Japanese verbs, or just in Japanese in general, what English treats as a direct object isn't necessarily what Japanese treats as a direct object, and vice versa. They can differ. So, for instance, in Japanese, when you ride a train, the verb actually means more like get on, and so it's not a direct object. And you just have to kind of memorize those examples. So when you say densha and norimasu for riding a train, it's not densha o, it's densha ni. Other than that, pretty straightforward. See you next time.